We getting right to it today. I got my first order, $12.25 at the Petco right down the street from my house. See, that's why you want to get that large order program, because now I can just cherry pick catering orders right from the crib. That's how you want to start your day off. Funny thing happened on this one, so I ended up losing the order. They took the order from me, it got reassigned. So what I did was I called support. I was like, hey, I just had this catering order. You know, it kicked me out of it, and then it ended my dash. So what they did was they checked to see if the order was reassigned to anybody. The order had not been reassigned to nobody. So what they did was they went on and gave me Dash Now, because I'm not top dashing no more, so I don't got Dash Now. They gave me Dash Now for 1 hour so that I could accept this catering order and get it done. Let's go ahead and see if they got it.
You got an easy one, 2 little things.
For real? Oh man, it's okay if I grab a bag? I got onto the large order program. I also like to do specialty orders. These are more profitable than the average, you know, Wendy's order or Freddy's order. And then the customers spending more money on a, you know. We got our order picked up, gotta drive it 4 miles away, drop it off. Sometimes it actually do be extra hidden tips on these PetSmart catering orders. So it's not like the shopping deliveries. These actually can have some hidden on it. So let's go ahead and get this one done and see what we're working with. Next order of the day, we got a $5 cash on delivery. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and decline that one because they only got 1 pizza. They ain't gonna give me too much. Order of the day, we got $16.99 for 2.7 miles right here at Walmart. And we already here. Let's go ahead and check in and see how long it take them to bring this shit out. I just did an order, $6.50 for 3 miles at Red Robin, turned into $7. So we're looking good for this little shift right here. It's $150, we'll see how the day turns out. If it gets slow, I'm hanging it up. I'm not top dashing no more, so I ain't got time for none of that. Get it dropped off. Next order of the day, we got us some little caterade. We got Chipotle, $12, 4 miles, catering bag required. Stop playing with me, man. Get this knocked out. You see what I'm saying? You don't need to be top dasher. You need to be top dasher to get the large order program, but once you get it, you good. Cherry pick for them large orders. Multi-app, make that money. Let's get it. Y'all sure y'all don't want me to help? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Works for me.
Yes, sir.
Damn, they bring it out for you. Hold on, let me get that door. Let me get this one.
Yes, sir.
Gonna be right over here.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good one. You see it? That's $330 worth of Chipotle. Let's go ahead and get that delivered. See, this is why I'm trying to teach people to get orders like this, because before I got the large order program, it wasn't no chance I was getting an order like this. Like, it's like, what they try to say? They try to say that, you know, if all the large order people on the order, then this order gets shuffled off to somebody who don't got the large order program, right? Nope, that's wrong. These orders will sit. They will sit and wait until somebody who got large order program is available for them. They not sending these orders to you if you don't got large order program. Point blank, period. Point blank. I don't care what none of these other content creators tell you. You're not gonna get one just by chance, or you know, you in the right place at the right time. It's not happening. If you're not in a program, you're not getting one. Simple as that. That pays. $12 is what we're showing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice, nice. And we got a pizza order right after. You know what? With an order like that, I'm just gonna hey, a tip like that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take whatever they give me, because that was a $50 tip right there. Let's get it. We on the road today. Next order of the evening, we got $15 for 5 miles. It's just wings and chilies. They threw on $1 peak pay because nobody was accepting these trash offers out here. I declined about 30 off and I got this one. I waited 15 minutes into the peak pay, because what you gotta realize is when they turn on peak pay, their first 10 minutes, they trying to clear out all them orders that was sitting that everybody was already declining. So if you out dashing and they turn on peak pay, pause for 10 minutes or just keep declining for the first 10 to 15 minutes of that peak pay. And then after that, those are the fresh orders coming in on that peak pay. So about 15 minutes after they start that up. That's a pro tip right there. Let's go ahead and slide over and get these 2 orders picked up. It's probably $7.50 on each order, but let's go ahead and check. One of the orders is $5, so that's a no-go, and the other one must be $10. So actually what we're gonna do now is, now that I know one of them is $5, that's a no-tip order. So whoever the no-tip order is, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. $10 what was shown. $10.50 what we got. Let's get it. I unassigned that other order because they had me messed up. Yes, sir. We right back at Chili's. I got my next offer. We got $7.50 for 3 miles, $1 peak pay. So this is really a $6.50 order. But here's the thing. Check this out. I declined this offer already, and they sent it right back to me. And it's one of them offers where they call you back to the restaurant, because they literally called me all the way back over here. It's really like $7.50 for 1 mile, but the distance I was away is $7.50 for 3 miles. But by them sending it to me twice, I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and just accept this. It's bringing me back to where I just came from anyways. Let me see what's up. Maybe it's something hidden, maybe not. But either way, $7.50 for 3 miles is a good offer. I just want to see if it's something hidden because they sent me the same offer twice. That does happen, but usually I just keep declining them. But that one was a good offer, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what's up with it. Hopefully they bring it out soon. But they is starting to get pretty packed, so I might have to slide up in there. We're gonna see. Okay, went up to $8, not bad. I'm sitting at $98 on DoorDash, and we have been dashing. Let's see how long we've been dashing. We've been dashing since 2. We've been dashing since 2. Nope, not taking negative $1 peak pay. For the day, we got $23.75 for 9.4 miles. I ain't never seen an offer like this, even with the distance. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that, because even with that round trip, that's an 18-mile round trip. Got that order dropped off. See how much this one turned to. $13. Let's get it. On to the next one. Alrighty, moment of truth. Is it gonna go up? Thank you. You have a good day. Yep, it went up. Thank you, thank you. I got $124 on DoorDash alone on this dash. I think I've been out, it's 7:03. I've been out for a little less than 5 hours on DoorDash. Altogether, I got $125 on DoorDash, and I ain't even calculated my Walmart Spark money. I got my next order right here. We checking in at Walmart. $22.50 for 5.4 miles. It's a double order. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for them to bring this out, and I'm gonna cherry pick some catering orders in the meantime, see if I can get some good on DoorDash. $14.50 for 11 miles. I think I'm gonna take that shit. That shit gonna take me back by my house. I unassigned that other one, but they got me messed up. I'm not delivering no tip orders. No. $8 what we got for that one. I'm glad I dropped that no tip order and got something better, because I just got a better offer on Walmart Spark. $12, 1 mile, and we already here at Walmart. Look at that. What's for 1 mile? Yes, sir. So we are done for the night. Let's go ahead and tally everything on up and see just how much we made. On Walmart Spark, we got $51.99, and on DoorDash, we got $145.95. And we did all of that in a total time of 6 hours. So that's a total of $197.94 in 6 hours. Let's divide that by 6. Started at 2:18, and the time is now 8:19. That's $32.99 per hour. $33 per hour on a Saturday. Let's get it. If you want to make sure you maximizing and you want to earn $33 per hour, you want to make more money with DoorDash, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I need you to hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.